Hello everybody. I got a question how to remove headlamp in the cabin of the Focus. So let's show how to do it. The guy wanted to change the LED lights in the cabin, so I try to help. So this is what I'm talking about. I want to change these. These are pretty much easy to change. All you need to do is take these plastics and pop it up, and there you have the lamps. So if you want to do that, that's how you do this. Another way, you want to bring it back, so they. But if you want to remove all this, this is the way to do it. Okay, so if you want to remove this all, there is here one holder and one is here. So take the plastics and just click it out. You need to click it out because there is two holders here and two over here. I will show you when I open up. This is what I'm talking about, these two and these two holders. And once you took that out, just need to take out the wirings. So wiring number 1 and wiring number 2. Let's see what Ford engineers did here. Okay, so there is one more. So wiring number 3. So basically what's holding are these two and these two, but these two pop up out easy. So let's see what's this lighting all about. Can you remove only this? Not really sure. So after we took out these plastics, so I don't know, not really sure how you would replace this with something else, but I love this SOS button. I just love it. And just click it. So I don't know. I hope this helped. So for this video that was demanded, I hope this helped. I'm not sure you want to accomplish anything with this, but it's not up to me. So thanks everybody. We will continue the series with mk4. I have one special stuff I want to show you, the marvel of Ford engineers with the back bonnet. That's really crazy. Subscribe, like, comment, and thank you for your support, and see you in the next one.